I wonder if you ever asked yourselves why you have a problem of any kind. Perhaps mathematical problem, scientific problem, problems of knowledge. But psychologically, why do you have problems? And if you have a problem, why do you not end it immediately and not carry it over and over and over again for the rest of your life? You see, when a problem presents itself to you and you do not solve it instantly and you think about the problem, worry about the problem, that deteriorates the brain cells, obviously. To solve a problem, human problem, psychological problem, the problem of relationship, it matters enormously how you approach it. Do you understand? Please, we are talking to each other. There is no guru, there is no teacher here. There is only the problem. And how you approach the problem. Because in the approach to the problem may be the solution. You understand what we're saying? Suppose I have a problem. If I approach it with a desire to end it, I'm already coming to it with a determined purpose, which may distort the problem itself. If I come to it with a motive, the motive will dictate the answer of the problem. We are following each other. I'm not talking to myself. We are talking to each other. We are sharing this thing together. Or rather, you are investigating and discovering this thing for yourself. That you cannot solve a human problem if you approach it wrongly. There is a correct approach, which is without a motive, without trying to end the problem. Then you are approaching it with a conclusion, with already premeditated intention. So the problem remains. Whereas if you can free yourself from the motive, from the direction, desire to find an answer, then you come to it freely. Whatever that problem is, even it be the most scientific, complex problem. Because the free mind doesn't create a problem. It meets a problem, then answers it. But it doesn't create a problem. But whereas we create problems, and having created it, we approach it with fear, with anxiety to solve it, consult others, go through all the movements of trying to solve it. Or you investigate the problem pretty thoroughly, observing it. Let the problem tell you the whole story of itself. Then perhaps during the day you find a complete freedom from that problem. So what we are saying is, our human minds, the brain, the mind, the thought, the emotions, the senses are millions and millions of years old. It's heavily conditioned, and that is creating the problems. And as long as the brain is still thinking of ways out of it, it is still furthering the problems, enlarging the problems. I hope. Are we making this clear for ourselves? So, we are going to discuss non-problematically. You understand? It's not a problem. Nothing is a problem until we make it.